Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Dr. Sam's Biology. In this video, we will discuss sex influence traits. So what are sex influence traits? These are traits which are influenced by sex. But the gene for these traits are not present on sex chromosomes. The gene are present on autosomes. So gene for sex influence traits are present on autosomes, but their expression is influenced by sex. So their expression depends on the sex, but the gene for these traits are present on autosomes. In heterozygous condition, one allele shows dominance in male and another allele shows dominance in female. For example, we have this heterozygous condition, capital A and small a. So these are two alleles of a gene. So this is heterozygous condition. In case of male, this capital A will behave as dominant or will express itself as dominant, or this small a will be recessive. But in case of female, this small a will be dominant and this capital A will be recessive. So here you can see that expression depends upon sex. So their expression, this gene is present on autosomes, but its expression depends on sex. In case of male, it behaves as dominant. In case of female, it behaves as recessive. Similarly, in case of this allele, the classical example of this sex influence trait is baldness. Gene for baldness is B gene. So this condition, capital B, homozygous capital B condition, it causes baldness in both sexes. In case of small b, both sexes are normal. But in a heterozygous condition, capital B and small b, this condition causes baldness in male. But in case of female, it does not cause baldness. Female will be normal. So here you can see that expression is changed by sex. Expression is influenced by sex. So we have two heterozygous male and heterozygous female. Heterozygous male will be bald. It will be normal. Female will be normal. So when there is a crossing, capital B, small b, capital B, small b, small b, small b. In that case, both male and female will be bald. But in heterozygous condition, in these two conditions, female will be normal, but male will be bald. In that condition, small b, both will be bald. So here you can see that in that case, in heterozygous condition, in case of male, this capital B is dominant and this small b is recessive. But when sex is changed, this small b is dominant and this capital B is recessive. So these are traits which are influenced by sex. But their genes are not present on sex chromosome. Their genes are present on autosomes, but their expression is influenced by sex. So this is called sex influence trait.